Welcome to MacGyver's Workshop, where you never know what we're going to be working on next. If you're not too careful, you just might learn something.
Okay, so in the world of Corvettes, you have, at least this one has a Targa top on it. And this is a replacement Targa top. It's not the original Targa top. So he's having trouble getting it to where he can put the top in when he needs to put the roof on the car. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to make some adjustments. He's got 3 out of the 4 right, but the last one always gets you. So the last one over here in this corner is down a little too low, because once we get it in, you can see the roof the Targa top comes down below the body line. So we're going to have to get in there and adjust it and move that bracket up just a smidge. So stay tuned. Okay, so that bit right there we need to adjust. And in order to do that, we got to take that plastic out of the way. And then once we get that plastic out of the way, we can see what kind of screws we have in there, or bolts, that we'll have to adjust. And I'm thinking you're still hanging here pretty good. Like so. And I really believe that.
Get the seatbelt thing, Mr. Moore?
Well, that would make it a whole lot easier. I believe. Take the seatbelt loose. But let me see if I can get this down. There we go. That'll do. Alright, so it looks like you got two 13mm headed bolts there, and the holes in that bracket are elongated, so we can adjust it. So first thing we'll do is we'll mark our x-axis, and then once we mark our x-axis, so we know where to stay left and right, then all we have to worry about is going up and down. So you and mind shedding a little light on the subject here. So what we're going to do here, actually I'm going to do this with a Sharpie because I don't want to scratch your paint up. But I will do a mark here. And mark there. That way, because we know that tapered seat is right this way, but we need to come up. So we shall do it that way. As long as we keep our mark in line there, then we should be good. The last thing we want to do is have to align it in 2 dimensions. So now, further with that, give me some light in here. So that tells me where we're at, because once I get this bolt loose, it's going to flop.
Yep, I moved up quite a bit.
That's because it's got the tension of this, tension of this thing on it.
Now there's spacers behind there, we don't wanna lose those, cause that's the way you can adjust it back and forth.
Right. Well, hopefully they're washers and not U-shaped, so.
Now they're whole pieces of metal behind it.
Yeah, so we're gonna leave that be.
Yeah.
And we're gonna raise this up just a smidge. Now we're gonna leave your towel in there.
Okay.
Or never mind.
Take it out.
Put it back.
Still
Pull it. You have to pull it back up to. You always put your screws in later. All right, let's get your top. So it goes in a little easier this time. All right, gotcha. And the way I see it is you want to go in like so, and then as you get through the part of the top, there she goes.
easier, huh?
Well, we'll see when we get the other ones done. But, you know, Corvette is like a beautiful woman. Or I should say a hot-looking mistress is a, you know, they're beautiful to look at. They're a blast to drive, but damn, they can be high maintenance. Of course, I say that about BMWs and Mercedes too. All right, so we'll draw these up and then pull those down,
Yeah.
right? I'm not intimately familiar with the ways of Corvette, sorry, son. My son in South Carolina, he's a humongous Corvette freak.
Yeah.
And both him and both my sons are. They love Corvettes. And he just got him a Z06.
Oh, wow.
And his is a blue, crap, I can't remember what color. It was a really rare color, but it was a blue, and beautiful car. Beautiful car. It's got 6 speed and all that good stuff in it.
All right, I'm tight.
There you go, man. All I did with this one is I just rested my elbow here while I was working the bolt, putting pressure on it, and it went right in. I mean, that didn't require a lot of pressure at all.
I think that's gonna help it a lot.
Well, there you go.